Sulava means smooth in Finnish, and that comes from the fact that we help our customers to have as smooth work-life experience as possible. We're located in Helsinki, but actually we work worldwide.
We have 700 plus customers worldwide, so we are helping them with Microsoft solutions.
We're always thought leaders, and we are very quick to pick the best tools that we really find useful.
Before Loop, we were collaborating in different apps, but you don't really have one view for the all information.
You end up with a whole lot of different versions of the same thing, and then you're wondering which of them is up to date, which one is old information.
You need to be able to loop in people, whether they are from sales team, consultants, support functions, and that you can do with Loop.
It's a digital workplace where it's not just you by yourself, but it's you and all of your friends.
I use Loop in meetings. Right when the meeting starts, I usually will start the Loop component and everybody starts pulling in their views and their inputs. It's super easy when we can take a little piece of the whole document and edit it one place and share it in another, and the actual document stays still up to date. It's very convenient to tag people afterwards, and that way loop in people who were not necessarily in the actual meeting, and that way keep the document living.
When I'm using Loop to generate agenda for an event, webinar, we are seeing, of course, that changes, but we have also other ideas happening.
Usually when I get a new customer, I'll create the workspace, and if I already have some documents related to that customer, I'll add them as links to the workspace. When I'm working on a project with other consultants, I can share either the whole workspace with them, so we can work together on everything and collect things there in the workspace, or if I'm working on just one thing with one of my coworkers, I can just take that one page or that one part of the page as a component and share that to them.
My magic moment with Loop was when I was able to embed an entire paragraph to an email and another one to Teams, and I still got the updated document in one place where I was working on the bigger picture.
Loop is an application that allows us to work simultaneously together, either synchronously or asynchronously. So the time and location doesn't really matter. I may be in train and I can check what's the situation and react and of course add my comments there if needed. That's why I think Loop is the kind of next generation tool.
Loop for me is smooth. Everything that makes my life easier is smooth.
Loop has already allowed us to improve our flow of work. We can work better together. We can invent new ways of working we don't even know that exist today.